to Cooking with Cassie and Kids. I'm Cassie.
I'm Rosalind and I am 7.
Who are you?
I'm Reed, I'm 4.5.
And we are just so excited that you're joining us this summer for some cooking adventures. We, just like our other camp friends, are going to invite you to travel the world with us. Each week we're going to land on a different continent and try out a new recipe. So, Rosalind, can you start us off by showing us where we live?
We live right here in North America, central Pennsylvania.
Yep, so North America is our continent. And Reed, can you fly us down? Because this first week we're going all the way down here to Antarctica. Rosalind, does it look like it's warm or cold down here?
It looks like it's cold because white is snow and ice.
Yeah. And Reed, what animal friend's down here?
Pizza penguin.
A penguin. That probably means it's pretty cold, huh? So, in honor of our penguin friend, we're going to eat like a penguin and make fish sticks. So first we'll go over the ingredients and then we'll meet you in the kitchen.
Here are the ingredients for fish sticks. 2 pieces of fish, salt, pepper, dried oregano, sweet paprika, 1/2 cup flour, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons, half and half, 1/2 cup breadcrumbs, 1/2 cup Parmesan.
Hi campers, welcome to our kitchen. We are excited to share with you a fish stick recipe today. Our kiddos are in their fun WPSU aprons and hats. Hopefully a lot of you campers got those this summer, and we'll hope to see some pictures of you and your kitchens with them. So we kind of prepped things ahead of time, and we have Chase, our dog, hanging out with us a little bit too. So we prepped our stuff here to make the fish sticks. Rosalind, what's the first thing we did to prep? Do you remember?
We set the oven to
450
degrees.
450 degrees to get it warmed up, so when we're done prepping our fish sticks, we can pop them in and enjoy them faster. So the first thing we're going to do here is prep our fish. We picked tilapia. You can do any kind of fish. You can even do salmon. I think white fish is probably the most common, but whatever your favorite fish is. So we're going to take our first mixture. This is salt, pepper, oregano, and paprika. And you both can help me with this. You're going to take a pinch and sprinkle it, rub it in on both sides of each of our little fish sticks. And of course, fish comes in different shapes and sizes. So what's kind of fun about this is that our fish sticks all are kind of a unique shape. However, it makes sense to cut them up. You of course can buy frozen fish sticks and just pop them in the oven. Sometimes it makes sense to just do that because it's easier, but this is also fun. We're gonna get a little messy. Reed's already messy, aren't you? Using that apron. And usually it just tastes better because you get to pick what you like, and it's usually healthier too, I guess. Did we rub it in? Did we get all of them?
No, we did get this guy.
All right, get that guy.
And I really like having fish sticks in my lunch.
In your lunchbox, yeah. We sometimes pack them for school when it's school time for your lunch. We are actually prepping this right now for our own lunch at our own house, aren't we? Are we excited to eat them? Are you feeling hungry?
What's prep?
Prep means getting it ready. That's a good question. All right, so we're gonna move this out of the way. I'm gonna rearrange things a little bit here. So we have 3 different bowls. First is flour. I'm gonna give this to Reed. He's gonna dig his hands in, aren't you? The next is our egg with half and half.
So do I have to like put it in there?
Yep, I'm gonna show you. And this one is breadcrumbs with Parmesan. All right, look at your hands. All right, buddy, so you're gonna pick up a piece of the fish. You're gonna plop it in there, roll it around a little bit. Nice. Now pick it up, shake off the excess flour, and hand it over to Rosalind. And she's gonna do the same thing. She's gonna dredge it, get the egg, and then pick it up, shake off the extra.
Hey, there's no sprinkle on this.
Oh, there's no sprinkle. Oh no, we missed it. There we go. There we go.
I'm
Is that
gonna do
better?
this guy.
Oh, do that guy. That's good. And then I'm gonna do the same thing in this last mixture. So if you're doing this by yourself, you don't quite have the assembly line that we have going on, what you're going to want to do is keep one hand as your wet hand and one hand as your dry hand so things don't stick to your wet hand as much. Great, good job. Clean that up. Put that in my bowl. They starting to look like fish sticks?
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Look, Mom, I did it. I'm doing this.
I see. You're rolling it, huh? It's a good technique. Pop it in there.
You got my name.
Yes, this is messy. Just be prepared to be a little messy. That's okay though. Oh, I'm sorry. Did I speed you up too much? All right.
Almost done.
So as they continue to do that, I have sprayed a baking sheet. I'm going to arrange them on here. And then I'm going to take a little bit of just olive oil and dab it, not to mess up our pretty coating on this, but just dab it so then it'll get even crispier when you bake it in the oven. You guys get messy?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's okay. We like to get messy. All right. So we're baking these. You could also just put some oil and kind of fry them on the stove. That's the way you prefer to make them.
I'm doing this too.
Oh, yep, you're getting it really rubbed in there. That's good. So we're gonna finish getting these prepped, and we're gonna put them in the oven again at 450 degrees, and about 12 to 15 minutes. Keep an eye on them, see how they're baking up. Yep, take that one, and then we'll show you what it looks like when they're done.
All right, our fish sticks are hot out of the oven. We're gonna do a taste test. Look. Ah!
Taste them, Reed.
We already tasted them.
Do you have a thumbs up? Yeah. All right, Reed, what do we say?
See you next time.
See you next time. We'll see you next week, guys. Bye-bye.